baby. Walk in the club, my heater, baby. Damn, hello, good evening, baby. I'm having cheat like Velveeta, baby. I mean, my head ain't seen me lately. Until I pull up in the drop top. Got your bruh cold in a crop top. You want smoke, we gon' make it a hot box.
Loser.
Alright, what I got for y'all in this quick video, I got these mud flaps off of eBay. I have everything linked in the description, but it's pretty self-explanatory. There's already screws in the actual back of the car, the trim piece. I'll show you in a second. And it looks like these just, you know, line up with everything and just bolt in. But yeah, let me show y'all what I'm talking about real quick. It just started raining, so probably gonna do this quickly. Let's go to the back. There's already like screws. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's already screws like right here and whatnot. You just pull these screws out and I guess wedge it in between, or I don't know, we'll figure it out. It should be really simple. But this is how the car looks without the mud flaps. With the spaces, it's got a lot of poke, so that's why I'm adding the mud flaps. But yeah, let me get these installed and I'll show you how it turns out. Alright, what I ended up doing was, alright, this hole's already here. There's a hole up under the bottom that line up perfectly. They gave you extra screws, so I ended up just drilling one up top. Also went in double-sided tape, the inside. I mean, I don't think it was going to go nowhere with just the 2 screws or the 3rd screw up top, but I just added double-sided tape. And this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna repeat the same process on the other side, then I'm gonna jump over to the front. All right, y'all, got this side in. What I ended up having to do for both of the top screws was take a pick and like with a lighter and just burn a hole, just for a starter hole, and then just push the screw right through it. But yeah, that's what the back is looking like. Now let's jump on the front. All right, y'all, pretty much same concept on this side. This would be the screw that'll line up with the mud flap. And only difference is this bottom side has a clip instead of a screw. No big deal there. And I'm gonna drill another hole up top and put a 3rd screw in it. So let's get that installed. Another difference is I'm gonna have to use my screwdriver. My drill died, but no big deal because the front's a little bit easier because you can turn the wheel. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, I got this side installed, pretty much same concept. I ended up having to replace the clip that's up under here, but I'm not sure if everybody would need to do that. I think my clip was just worn out, but already had the double-sided tape pre-installed, so double-sided tape on the inside, added a screw up top. This screw is already here. Let's jump to the other side. All right, y'all, so it's the next day, and this is what the final product looking like. Excuse how dirty the car is, because it's been raining. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate y'all rocking with me, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.